The intended messages concept leads to the semiotic representation, if it was done effectively by designers or illustrators, to the audience's interpretation. This then leads the audience back to the intended message designers and illustrators needed to visually communicate. Peirce explains this as a triadic determination flow between the concept, Peirce's term is object, representation, his term is representament, and interpretation, his term is interpretant. Now these designer-centric terms I've used helps illustrators and designers to understand and apply semiosis, sign action, into your ideation phases of your designs and illustrations. Now by crafting how the concept is represented, how the representation is then interpreted leads the audience back to the concept to be visually communicated. So this is